This is PAI's oil pump and is manufactured for Mack E6, 2V, and 4V engines. The PAI number for this oil pump is EOP-3351 and is a direct replacement for OEM number 315GC445G. This gear-driven oil pump is made from cast iron. The gear on this pump is a right-hand helical gear and has 13 teeth. Both the gasket and O-ring necessary for installation are included with this pump. This genuine PAI part comes with PAI's 2-year warranty.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.